What are you talking about?
As we depart the station, over on our left is a skyscraper. Be sure to swing by and take in a 236-foot aerial view of the park.
Your season pass today. That makes no sense. Your season pass
Over on our right is the River King Mine Train, named after the largest coal mine in the Midwest. The River King Mine Train takes gasoline into ore cars over 2,000 years.
Mine train. Skyscraper. I'm taking a video.
Okay.
There's water on there. It's close to the season. Our engine is about to release an acid thing from the boiler of outside.
Our engineers have just released some excess steam from the boiler in the zero working steam locomotive to help prevent the buildup of mineral deposits. As a friendly reminder, Six Flags is smoke-free park. We offer several designated areas for the park to sit here and keep their use. Just check your park map or ask the team member for the nearest
Six Flags
location.
St. Louis.
For those of you with younger guests, I'd like to remind you of our Kids Walk program.
This train has been running since 1971.
Children. When the first parent
It's been operated since 1971. This train has been running for a long time. We hope it runs for way longer. So, as you can see, we're now entering the backlot section of the park.
We're now entering the studio backlot section of the park, themed after a working movie set and home to the Joker Inc. and Ninja, the black belt of roller coasters. Also coming up on our right is Batman the Ride. Answer the call of the thrill ride, flying beneath the tracks for a series of 5 loops.
It goes by the wall. I have to think for their train, but their train's not up anymore because they got rid of it. Batman's over there. What? Hogan Harbor's over there. Those are the water slides, but those are the water slides. Those are not the water slides. It's close to the season, so we hope next year and turn it into Memorial Day. We can do Labor Day. Still have this Batman ride. There's the water park.
Oh my god, my fingers are gonna fall off, it's so cold.
There's Batman over there. Batman is the rider. When they got rid of those zip line things, they replaced Batman with Batman on zip lines. They got rid of zip lines, and they Batman is over there used to have these zip lines, but now it's Batman on the rider roller coaster goes by some walls with your feet dangling the whole time. And as you know up there, you see some tree lights. Holiday Park was starting November to January 1st.
This speedery should be up your alley. Also coming up on the right is Spin Sanity. Be sure to stop by Spin Sanity, go side to side on this 51-foot half-pipe track. Over to our left is the front mall area of the park, featuring a world-famous funnel cake stand.
Opened in April of 2017. Make sure to stop by and watch Spin Sanity. Is a awesome holiday for I hope you all guys have a good Thanksgiving. I will be last week, guys. Make sure you eat some turkey and ham and desserts. Yeah, that'd be fun. And there's Spinsandy right there. Here's the Palace Theater at Holiday Park. You're having the Max Day Christmas. Fair stores over there. Classes. The big Fair store out. Let's go by George Ferris. Spinsandy's right there. We're not entering St. Louis train station. There's Tsunami Soulcore. Tsunami Soulcore is going to 16, and it was open in May of 2016. Make sure to check it out. I think it's great in May. Make sure to check it out. To Christmas lights, to run some lights over there. Make sure you check those out too.
So the train comes up, pulls a big stop, and I say it's safe to exit the train.
And the train station.